In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a sticker to your video on CapCut PC. If you want to place a clean mouse-click icon, a bright arrow, or an animated graphic on top of your screen recording to highlight something important, CapCut makes this very simple. This is one of the easiest ways to guide your viewers' attention and make tutorials, demonstrations, or walkthrough videos much clearer. To get started, go to the top left area of the CapCut interface and click on the Stickers tab. As soon as you open it, you'll see CapCut's large built-in library filled with free animated graphics, overlay elements, callouts, and visual markers. This is where you can find all kinds of helpful stickers to make your video more engaging and easier to follow. If you already know the kind of graphic you want, use the search bar at the top of the sticker window to save time. Click into that search field, type a keyword such as click or arrow, and then press enter. CapCut will show you a range of matching sticker options. Take a moment to look through the thumbnails and choose a style that fits your video. When you find one you like, click the blue plus sign on the sticker card. That instantly adds the sticker to your timeline so you can start working with it right away. Next, go down to your timeline and click once on the new sticker layer to select it. Once it's selected, move your attention to the preview window in the center of the screen. Click and hold directly on the sticker graphic, then drag it into position over the exact area you want to highlight. This could be a button, a row of data, a menu item, or any important part of your screen recording. After placing it, adjust the size so it looks neat and doesn't block too much of the screen. To do that, use the small circular corner handles around the sticker's bounding box. Click and drag inward to scale it down until it fits cleanly in the right spot. This helps the sticker feel intentional and polished, rather than oversized or distracting. And that's it. In just a few quick clicks and drags, you can add an animated sticker overlay, position it exactly where you need it, and resize it to match your layout. It's a simple technique, but it can make a big difference in how clear and professional your video looks. You're all set. Done.